Hey everyone, so I wanted to start this video by saying that if you want to see a beautiful unboxing that is aesthetically pleasing and does not have background noise, then this is not the video for you. During this video, you'll hear that the TV is on, the filming is not the best either, so I apologize for that. Next time, I'm gonna do better because this video is not that good, but I still wanted to upload it because I like to have unboxing videos on my channel just to look back and see them. But yeah, I'm sorry that this video is not the best, but if you stick around, then I hope you enjoyed it.
Are you still there? To delete this message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?
Oh my gosh. This is so light. Just read it.
Dude, that looks good.
Whoa. This is so light.
Dang.
Is this the charger?
Yeah.
Oh.
No,
The
that's
sticker
bottom
comes
part.
in there. This.
Ooh.
Charger.
Ooh,
Oh my god.
Ooh,
this
dang.
is so big. Oh my god. Hold on. The screen is so much bigger and wider, isn't it? Or no?
Yeah. Wasn't there lighting in the top?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
There it is.
Okay. Aw.
Wow, like the typing and stuff is like so crazy.
Can I type? Can I push?
Oh, I need my phone. Hold on.
Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice.
Isn't the keyboard bigger?
I don't know. You'll compare it later.
This for sure is bigger because I was like,
Yep.
oh my god, this goes on forever.
Yeah.
Our cousin said when you just flip it open, it turns on by itself.
Oh, that's cool.
But to unlock it, you can set your finger.
Oh, nice.
This looks smaller. It doesn't have the extension thing anymore right here. To
Oh,
make it bigger.
that's true.
Oh no, it does. It's right here.
I mean, it doesn't come. Where is it though? Like where?
It does. Do you have to buy that separately too now?
Exactly. Dang.
Oh, that's the touch. Lift and reset your finger on the touch ID repeatedly.
Ooh.
Look, the escape button is here. Oh god, there's too many. Remove.
Yeah.
Remove.
Move.
I hate accidentally opening mail because that takes forever. Look. Oh, all my stuff are saved.
Oh, nice. Hold on.
Look, I can click it here.
That is so cool.
I want to go to Netflix.
Oh, that's.
Oh, look, I
Oh,
can-
that's cool.